Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to Civil Engineering 24/7 YouTube channel. This is Adnan Ahmed, and in today's video we will see the second chapter, connections. We have completed our first chapter and now we are going towards second chapter in our design of steel structure session. I will explain you today design procedure for as per IS 800/2007, and we will end this chapter with only two problems. Next we will move towards third problem, and in today's session let us move towards the design procedures. In design procedures, generally we need to write as per steps. Okay, so fastly let's move towards the video. Step number 1, what is that? That is, you need to take given datas, and values from question. That is your first step. From question. Okay, then next step we will go towards step number 2. Okay, step number 2 for solving this connections is to design strength plate. Okay, next you need to write as design strength in a plate, in a joint. Okay, now from page number 76 of your IS 800 is to 2007, you will find there this page number 76, the formula for design strength in a plate in a joint. Let me write it down here in this. Okay, design strength in a plate. Wait a minute. Yeah. So the formula would be TDB is equal to TNB divided by gamma MB. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, now let me define the formula. TDB means that is your design strength in plate. Design strength in plate. Okay, this is short forms. Next, T means that is your tensile strength. Okay, now next TNB. What is TNB? This TNB means nominal tensile capacity of bolt. Nominal tensile capacity of bolt. Okay, now for that we have, for TNB again one more formula is there. What is that? TNB is equal to 0.90 FUB into AN. Okay, this is the one more equation while solving the problem. Okay, now let us see what is AN. Okay, what is your AN? AN is nothing but your net tensile stress. Net tensile. Okay, we have seen the net tensile strength for the AN, 0.90 FUB AN. Okay, now next we move towards AN. For that AN we have one more formula. Again I am writing here. Okay, so AN is equal to V minus ND naught into T. Okay, B is your breadth of plate. Now D naught. What is D naught? Diameter of bolt. Okay, T is thickness, N is number of bolts. Next we go for gamma MB. That is a partially safety factor. Let me write it down. Partially safety factor. Okay, for bolt. How much? I can take it as 1.25. Remember while solving the problems. Next we go for the side weld or MB. Side weld. It is mentioned in your code book, guys. No need to worry about this. Side weld is your near about 1.5 gamma MB. Okay. Next we go for the step number 3. Okay. Step 3. What is that? Calculate shearing capacity of bolt. Okay, now generally this thing you will find in your design shearing page 75 plus 10.3.3. Let us write the formulas. VDSB is equal to VNSB divided by gamma MB. What is V? Shear force. Okay, shear force. And what is VDSB? VDSB is design strength of bolt. Design strength of bolt. Next, VNSB. This one. We have formula again for this. FUB divided by root 3. Okay, this is the formulas. Okay, that is the formula. Then in that VNSB is equal to FUV divided by root 3 of NN ANB plus NS ASB. Okay, continuation from that back page. Then what is NN here? NN is nothing but number of shear planes. Okay, then what is your ANB? That is nothing but net shear shear plane. Okay, now let us go towards number of shear planes, net shear area of bolt, net shear plane, that is. Then we go towards A and B formula, that is 0.78 into pi d square by 4. Okay, that is you should remember. What is NS here? NS is nothing but number of shear planes. Number of shear planes without thread. Generally observe there is thread in the bolt like this. That is not there here. Now after that, let's go towards ASB. What is ASB? ASB is your nominal shank area. Nominal shank area of bolt. Now step number 4. What would be that? To calculate the bearing strength. To calculate bearing strength बोल्ट की फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो चलिए देख लेते हैं किधर मिलेगा है. पेज नंबर 75 में मिल जाएगा. क्लॉज आपका क्लॉज नंबर है 10.3.4 ऑफ IS 800 2007. VDPB is equal to VNPB divided by gamma MB. Okay, to find out the bearing strength. Next, what is VDPB? VDPB, we know design strength bearing. Then what is VNPB? Nominal bearing strength. Nominal bearing strength. Understand? Next, we go towards our VNPB. 2.5 kV into dt into FUB. Okay, what is kV? E by 3 d naught. Okay, second again P by 3 d naught minus 0.25. Okay, next third one, let's go towards FUB divided by FU. Then fourth one is 1. Select from this list of the following. You need to select. I will write it down here. List must be selected. Least value must be selected. Okay, since the design of bolt joint list of following in shear bearing tensile strength of plate, next we go for step number 5, which would be our final step for that. Okay, what is that? Efficiency of joint, last step. Okay, efficiency of joint. Okay, this is our last step. Now efficiency is denoted with eta like this. Okay, is equal to design strength of plate joint divided by design strength of solid plate into 100. Okay, you will get the efficiency. Next, you need to go for design strength of solid plate. Okay, design strength of solid plate, that is nothing but FYB divided by gamma m naught into AG. AG is your gross sectional area. Okay, I will write it down once again here. No need, I will just make it short for you. Just what is AG? AG is your overall gross area plate. Okay, now finally gamma m naught 1.10 yielding partial safety factor. So this was your design of connections, how to build lap joint, like that. Everything is considered here. This was, I will end the video here. Meet you next session, guys. Please subscribe Civil Engineering 24/7 for more sessions in design of steel structures.